everyone. As promised, 8 p.m. I'm live. But like I said, this one is a very, very special live session because it is with someone who I really admire and respect, and that is Saurabh Sachdeva sir. So, and he is very, very punctual. So, I'm just ensuring that I am not late. आप सब शायद जानते नहीं होंगे, लेकिन मैंने उनके साथ एक एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप किया है एंड इट हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट एज एन एक्टर. और आज आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ही इज़ गिवन हिज टाइम टू ऑल ऑफ अस हियर. Let's learn some valuable lessons when it comes to just being productive in these uncertain times. Whether you're an artist, whether you have some stress that you're dealing with, he has lots of techniques for a lot of other things. And plus, I miss him. It's been so many months that my workshop got over, so I would like to see if he's here. So just excuse me, guys. Okay, so I'm waiting for sir's invite. So the minute it comes, I'm gonna go live with Mr. Saurabh Sachdeva. Yes, came cho, badha majama cho. Okay, love from Nepal. Hi Sumat. Hi Mehul. I'm sure मेरे बैच के काफ़ी सारे लोग हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. So we are very, very excited. अरे वाह, आज सर लेट है क्या? वो ऐसे कैसे हो गया? ऐसे तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. मे बी समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विथ माई फोन. गॉड, आज एक्चुअली थोड़ी मैं नर्वस भी हूँ क्योंकि सर के साथ हम क्लास में तो बहुत मस्ती करते हैं, बट अब थोड़ा मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरे पास कितने सारे सवाल है सर को पूछने के लिए, हमारे पास वक्त कम ना हो जाए. लव फ्रॉम आसाम. हाय, थैंक यू सो मच, मीन्स अ लॉट. हाय बेबी जे. All right. Thank you, Sonakshi. Different way of pronunciation. Have I got sir's request yet? Not yet. So anyway, you all complain that I barely have any communication with you all. But today's session is a very, very informative session. It's going to be very... oops, आप लोगों ने देख लिया मैंने नीचे ट्रैक पैंट्स पहने. I just dressed up till here today. Because today we're going to talk about something very fun and productive at the same time. So let's see. My God, today the requests are just so many and so quick. I think everyone is here for Saurabh sir. A lot of them are waiting specially for him to join us. Okay, I think I'll again get back. Yes, so hi Prathamesh, thank you so much. Nilesh, hi. So where are you all from? Please लिख के मुझे बताइए आप लोग यहाँ पर सब कहाँ से मुझे ये मिल रहे हैं. Hi Rohan, how are you? Guys, believe it or not, my whole last month has been extremely stressful and it was actually zero productivity. Hi Kabir, what's up? Long time. So today is the day that I actually meditated and I am I'm going to be in conversation with Saurabh sir, so I'm really looking to take up my productivity quotient high. So let's hope it helps all of us from here on. These going live together coordinations are a bit... I see Saurabh sir, yes. Can you all hear me? You can. I don't know why Nilesh cannot hear me. Hi, Saurabh sir.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. How are you?
मैंने आपके ऊपर एक बड़ा सा ऐसे बोल दिया यहाँ पर आने
Wow.
तक. मैंने बोला सर को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं अगर कोई लेट होता है तो. So you have to be very, very punctual. So आपके viewers और मेरे सब आ गए हैं waiting over here.
That's great, that's great. Love you all. Welcome
Lots
all.
of love.
Yes. Yes. How are you doing?
Sir, last month has been a very so not productive kind of a month.
Why?
So,
What
so
happened?
many things, you have your personal commitments that take over your professional, even though I don't have a professional commitment right now, but the commitment
Yeah,
that I have towards myself,
yeah.
just took a back seat completely. So I don't know, I feel great about today. And I remember that we've both spoken about this, that how to be productive in these uncertain times. I said, you're the best
Yes.
person to ask.
Yeah, it's one of the difficult thing because it's very uncertain for everyone, and we all are struggling from that, and we don't know because it has happened to us for the first time. So what I did for myself, I can share that when it started, I was also going down, and then my teacher mind started working that you know everything. How can you go down? Yeah, wo, and then you start beating yourself, right?
Right.
And uh, then I relaxed into that and I accepted what is that this is how it is, and you are a human being and you accept what is happening to you and happening in the world. So I accepted that, and then for a few days I just sat with myself and meditated with and wrote my thoughts so that I became very calm. Otherwise, I suddenly became very fidgety and very anxious and fearful in a way.
And that,
So
if it can happen to you, so think about the rest.
yes, like I keep working on these things, and then also these things can happen. And how did it happen? Whatever it is, the reason. Then I accepted, and I said I'm a human being, and I can go through this. Then I started meditating and all those things, and then I thought, what is the best thing I know, which I do, and that is acting and teaching acting, majorly teaching acting. So where can I start from? So I thought, how do I start? How do I start? And then I started sending the audio to the groups.
Yeah, I'm.
Yeah, you're part of that, and a lot of people started working on that and exercising, and they really got help from that. And then we did, thank God that we have something like Zoom nowadays. So a lot of people came on the Zoom and they started sharing their experience, and that really brought me out of my problem. Because the other thing which I believe is when you take responsibility of others, you come out of your problem. Your problems are like, and majorly there is problem is not in my house, it's out there, but it's not in my house. But your mind tend to get into that loop. Oh, मेरे को होगा, oh कुछ हो जाएगा, oh क्या हो जाएगा, मेरे family को क्या हो जाएगा. So all that happens. And then when I started working with my ex students, तो वहाँ से मुझे idea आया कि why can't I start a workshop online. And then I started reading books and getting motivated and reading a lot of watching different videos, educational videos, and suddenly my energy was, I like, wow, now I'm back. So
Nice.
yeah, so
But
that is what I did for myself.
that we all have to keep ourselves motivated. But there comes a point, especially for, I can speak for myself, when this
Yeah,
topic now, I was very high on motivation, productivity. I remember, actively being a part of all the exercises that I was receiving from your end as well. But फिर एक वक्त आ गया, you just go like, how long is this going to go on for? Is this the real deal? Because, and especially as actors, I'm sure you second that. कि for us, it's always a new battle. It's not like, I mean, especially for me, अभी समझ लीजिए कि मैं तो अभी भी start off कर रही हूँ to a great extent. तो मुझे वापस जाना है, बाहर काम ढूंढना है. वो इतनी uncertainty है, stress है मेरे सर पर. I have my bills to pay. Um, there's just so much happening around. So ऐसे time पर positive रहने के लिए, what is the best thing to do? Just keep your mind busy, divert towards what interests you, right?
yes. And first of all, you have to accept that this is happening. If you're not going to accept it, it's going to be always taking toll on you. You have to fully accept this is happening. This is happening, and this is happening now. You have to really be there when you accept it, and then you can find new ideas. When the mind goes zero, okay, I am here. This is happening. Now what? Then new idea starts coming up. And what is going to be an idea for you, I don't know, honestly. When I went zero, otherwise I was like, what? I cannot. Oh, how will my team survive? How will we survive? How will this happen? What is going to happen? How long it's going to go? When am I going to open my studio? People are not going to come and trust, and they will not come together. And my work happens in collaboration. We know we actors work in collaboration.
Yeah.
बाकी क्रू तो फिर भी मुंह पे कुछ मान लेगा, पर हमें तो
हाँ,
खेलना
हाँ,
ही पड़ेगा,
हाँ,
मेकअप चढ़ाने,
सकते हैं
हाँ
हम।
मेकअप चढ़ाना ही पड़ेगा, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हमारे मुंह पे मेकअप लगाएगा, कॉस्ट्यूम वाला कॉस्ट्यूम लेकर
We
आएगा,
are
मैंने कहा what?
vulnerable at that point.
Yes. So I'm an actor also. I'm a teacher where I bring my students close to each other. So how will this happen? And then I said, no point of cribbing on this. First, accept this is happening, and this is
Right.
not happening to you. This is happening to whole world. अगर वो मेरे को भी हो रहा होता ना तो भी मुझे एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए, पर अभी तो सबको हो रहा है यार. Thank God. And then I went into gratitude also. Thank God that I have a house. I am eating well, right? My parents are well. They're eating well. My family is everyone well, and my friends, जिनको मैं जानता हूँ, there's I gratitude to the people who are on the road and walking, and they're not reaching to their home. I was like, God, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. And when you gratitude, you're not in complaint. And when you stop complaining about yourself or the situation or the other person, comes this relaxation, and then mind opens up. Mind is like a parachute. When it's open, it works well. So when it opens, new ideas start coming. And then I immediately started taking step of working with my ex-students and creating my classes. And now it's going well. So that is what I can suggest to everyone, and you also. You have to first accept. I know it's going to be a little difficult because it is how it is. कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप उसका. कुछ टाइम तक तो आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
I feel like आज मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बुलाया कि प्लीज मुझे काउंसलिंग करो, but you're getting a lot of questions, sir. तो मैं जरा questions पढ़ दूँ आपके लिए.
Yeah, please.
आपके फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है?
मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर इंडिया में थे इरफान खान, जो मेरे बहुत ही फेवरेट थे. मैं हमेशा उन्हीं का एग्जांपल देता था. I still want to be like him, real and spontaneous and understanding the character and his sensibility as a human being also. वो मुझे बहुत पसंद थी. वो पर्सनल लाइफ जिस तरीके से डील करते वो मुझे बहुत पसंद था. So yes, that is in Indian actor Manoj Bajpayee, Nawazuddin, then Ranbir is my nowadays, because after seeing the film Delhi Boy and the other films, I feel he's very spontaneous, he's very there. So दोनों रणवीर और रणबीर दोनों ही मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो दोनों spontaneous हैं, दोनों बहुत ही अच्छा काम करते हैं. And Alia is very good in Indian industry. She's very spontaneous, because I believe spontaneity is on the high level of everything. You know all the craft, but if you're not spontaneous, then like you have worked with Raghav. Raghav is such a spontaneous guy on the stage, and you keep looking at him. Everyone keep looking at him. Why? Because और भी वहाँ पे अच्छे दिखने वाले लोग हैं, या फिर उससे अच्छा क्राफ्ट जानते होंगे या एक्टिंग जानते होंगे, but he's so spontaneous that you want to see him, right? That's the point. And if an actor can achieve that, that's great. So and बाकी तो हॉलीवुड में बहुत सारे. You tell me who's your favorite.
My favorite. Oh my God! Like this, if you ask me, so I'll get very very. I love Julia Roberts. अगर मैं एक मूवी अगर मैं बोलूँ वो थी एरिन ब्रोकोविच, which actually did change my life. मुझे बहुत ऐसे लगे कि यार such powerful roles, when are we going to get to play, so Erin Brockovich was one film that touched me. And Madhuri Dixit, मैं माधुरी दीक्षित बनना चाहती हूँ, ये तो हम सबका ही है. For every female actor in this industry, for all of us, it's Madhuri ma'am.
And so good.
And yes, of course, Irfan Khan sir. May his soul rest in peace. Such a fabulous actor, and what a loss to our industry. Hrithik Roshan, everyone. I like all they're there for a reason, So, sir, आपके लिए रोहन सर से सवाल. रोहन बहुत आप जानते होंगे रोहन को. He is also a very well known casting. रोहन ने पूछा ड्रीम कैरेक्टर कौन सा होगा जो आपको प्ले करना अच्छा लगेगा?
पता नहीं भाई. I would love to do Joker का character, definitely, because I feel something. Maybe you will see some spark of that in our upcoming film where I'm playing. It's with Bijoy, and I have done something with my body and with my hairstyle and everything. So maybe you get some glimpse of that. I would love to play something like that, which Heath Ledger played. So I would want to go in that zone. So yeah, I would want to play that. It's something very caricaturish, very over the top, loud character. I would love to play that because somehow I really want to work with my body. Yes, that's there, and there are more. अभी मैंने recently movies देखी with Al Pacino and Robert De Niro, and that was they were so beautiful. Like what Robert De Niro was doing, I really want to do that in any film I can do. Yeah, that's these are my dream characters. Want to work on.
As an
Yes.
actor, there's so much one wants to explore. No, it's just,
Yes.
what do you think, sir? It's being at the right place at the right time, or it's your hard work and destiny? Which is the combination that works best?
I don't believe in destiny. People do keep saying it. मैं बहुत ही young age से उसको छोड़ दिया था. मेरे पेरेंट्स सब कहते थे, तो मैंने बहुत young age से छोड़ दिया था. मैंने कहा अगर डेस्टिनी होगी तो भी मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा, अगर नहीं होगी तो भी मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा. मेरे को क्राफ्ट तो नहीं सिखा देगी डेस्टिनी. तो I was always learning my craft. I was learning my craft and I was enjoying my craft. I was so enjoying कि अगर मैं उसमें एक्टर नहीं भी बनता ना तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, because I was so enjoying it and as a teacher also. So मेरे को लगता है you need to work hard. That's the game. If you
I think
always
that's,
cling on the
see, hard work
destiny,
makes you meet where luck is probably waiting for some people, where they expect it, but it's only hard work that takes us where it does. It's that
yeah,
not dedication
yeah,
towards
and
the craft.
yes, and hard work से मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि sunrise इधर है और आप इधर भाग रहे हैं. You have to understand. You have to have some brain कि where you have to go. That is what फिर लोग बोलते हैं कि oh my destiny. You don't. अगर तुम उधर भाग रहे हो तो तुम destiny से दूर भाग रहे हो. तुम hard work तो कर रहे हो, भाग तो रहे हो, पर sun इधर है. So उसके लिए थोड़ी सी नजर चाहिए, उसके लिए थोड़ी education चाहिए. You have to really look around, what is happening, who you meeting, people around, what kind of work you want, what is, and you specifically write down what you really want. Most of people don't do that. They very general life कि मैं ये भी चाहता हूँ, मैं ये भी चाहता हूँ, मैं Mercedes चाहता हूँ, पर कौन सी वाली Mercedes? काम कौन सा वाला काम, किसके साथ काम? Be very specific, and then you will start running towards it. पर होता क्या है कि हम भागते तो है, मैं बहुत भागा पर मैं पहुंच नहीं पाया. But you were walking, you were moving opposite side, brother.
Yeah.
आपको सन इधर देखना था, आपने देखा नहीं. Open your eyes, open your ears. Birds are chirping from here. Sun is rising from here. My skin पे पड़ रहा है. Go there. Open your five senses. Then you will see. Oh, I can feel sun is there. I have to run that side. Light is coming from that side. पर हम भागते कुछ भी कहीं और है. फिर हम बोलते हैं हमारी डेस्टिनी थी, हमारे को मिला नहीं. I feel that's yeah. I don't believe in that.
And I also the best of what's coming your way. Be realistic, not be delusional. Like I saw this video of Jackie Shroff. सबको एक ही काम करना है, सबको सुपरस्टार बनना है. अरे चलो एक्टर तो ओके बन गए, नहीं चले तो कोई नहीं. There is another. There's always so much to do. काम तो बहुत है. If you're working hard, and like you said, if you're going in the right direction, then you will meet the place where you're supposed to be. If not, there's so much to do. I don't see a point where one gets disheartened. Also, sir, आपने
like you have started with as an actress in serial, right? That's true, right? And you have started from there, and you continuously working, and you were taking now workshop also. So somebody has to keep exploring. When there was जब gap मिला तो workshop भी करी उसने 1 महीने की, and then she was exploring her craft. She was. People don't learn. People don't get educated. They don't want to educate themselves. I believe you have to always educate yourself. I'm still educating. Now I'm educating how to work online and reading new books on acting and other things, so that I can be more stronger. So it's always a learning. I'm doing more video lessons. I've paid for that. So you cannot just sit home and think कि किसी दिन कुछ हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा. You have to move. Like now I know her. अगर मुझे कभी कुछ काम करना हो, डायरेक्ट करना हो, तो मेरे दिमाग में तो है कि उससे पहले मैं जानता ही था, बिकॉज मैंने टीवी नहीं देखा, तो मैं सीरियल, अब मैं जानता हूँ कि देयर इज रिदम. ओके, देयर इज दिस गर्ल, शी इज एक्सप्लोरिंग. यू हैव टू गो इन डिफरेंट areas of life to explore. Then people will start knowing you कि oh, she is talented, she is working, she's worked पहले भी, अभी she is exploring some other avenues.
Right.
That's the point. Yeah.
But
You
also after the workshop, I do feel I've become that certain section of educated audience जिसे कहते हैं. अब मैं बहुत बारीकी से कुछ चीजों को देखती हूँ, उन्हें ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ और सोचती हूँ कि जब मुझे मौका मिलेगा तो मैं इन चीजों को अप्लाई कर सकूँ.
Right.
You know, जैसे कि आप हमेशा हमें सिखाते थे डिस्कवरी, you know, discover something and then just move around. But you know, I was reading about, I've especially noted this down, sir, which you taught us in our workshop. Stephen Book की एक statement है which says application of improvisation to scripted acting.
Oh, application to improvising to scripted acting.
हाँ, application of improvisation to scripted acting. अभी जैसे कि हम अगर कुछ कर रहे हैं, ओके, अब मैंने ये सीन में ये परफ्यूम की बोतल उठाई, स्प्रे किया, बट एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन यू डू अ क्लोज अप टेक, अगेन यू हैव टू बी माइंडफुल अबाउट दिस. सो द डिस्कवरी हैज हैपेंड, बट इट्स अप टू यू टू रिमेंबर इट एंड कीप एनहांसिंग इट.
Yes, yes, true है. उसमें आप छोटे छोटे nuances change कर सकते हैं. I remember long back I had a talk with Boman Irani, and I said I was very new to, well, I was new to Mumbai, and so I said, how do you maintain continuity? He said, from here to here, मेरे को ग्लास उठाना है यहाँ से और यहाँ पे रखना है, या ऊपर लेकर आना है, पर बीच में मैं जर्नी बदल देता हूँ हर बार. If the journey is changed, तो मेरे अंदर कुछ नया impulse होता है. I change the journey, right? तो अगर एडिटर काटेगा तो मेरे उठाने से काटेगा या फिर मेरे मुंह पे लगाने से काटेगा. तो अगर वो बीच में भी काटेगा तो मैंने बहुत हल्का सा चेंज कर दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैंने आई पिक्ड अप दिस रिमोट और मैंने यहाँ से उठाया था और ऐसे अपने मुंह के पास लेकर आया था. अब मैं यहाँ से लेकर थोड़ा सा भी अगर ऐसे कर दूंगा ना, इट क्रिएट्स समथिंग इनसाइड मी, इट क्रिएट्स समथिंग न्यू inside me, and every take will be a new take. I will be always in the curiosity and exploration, right? नहीं तो हम क्या होंगे, मैकेनिकल हो जाएंगे, यहाँ से उठाया यहाँ से, तो लोगों को लगता है बोरिंग हो गया, तो फिर लगता है वो पहला वाला टेक लगा दो. पहला वाला टेक मेरा बहुत अच्छा था क्योंकि मैं बहुत इम्पल्सिव था, राइट? मेजरली एक्टर ये करने लगते हैं, वो दूसरा लगा दो. So you have to just keep doing that, keep exploring that, and life always happens. Like we keep saying in our acting is doing, and there is always more to do.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's true. You know, on Instagram, there's one thing that has come up, which I'm sure idea because you must be finding all of this very, very challenging, but we all are enjoying it, and it's called Guess the Gibberish. Okay.
Sorry, guess the
Gibberish.
Gibberish. अच्छा, हाँ, yes.
और आपके क्लास में जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स अगर देख रहे हैं तो जानते हैं जिब्रिश क्लास सबसे कमाल क्लास होती है हमारी. हाँ. राइट. तो जिब्रिश का इम्पोर्टेंस बताएंगे जरा हमें एक्टिंग में क्या है? लाइक मैं तो पहले दिन पे I couldn't understand. I was doing it for the fun. Then second day it struck me.
Yeah. It really opens your speech. It really opens your mind. It opens your body because आप body से बहुत express करते हैं.
Throw.
Yeah.
Really?
अरे वो सब करो बस पूरे फर्स्ट रे. पूरे मुखरा बंदूरा.
अब
अगर मैं बात और बंदूरा रे.
तो ऐसा कुछ है जिब्रिश guys.
Yeah, and we start listening more. क्योंकि हम वर्ड्स को ग्रांटेड लेते हैं, तो जैसे ही वर्ड्स नहीं होंगे तो हमारे कान ज्यादा खड़े हो जाते हैं कि सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है, और ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं उसमें, तो कनेक्शन स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. एंड मेजरली व्हेन यू गेट डायलॉग्स, व्हेन यू गेट योर स्क्रिप्ट, I believe you should do it in gibberish because it gives you new impulse. नहीं तो आप वो अपने प्रीकंसीव नोशन से उसको याद करते हैं. हाँ. और प्रीकंसीव नोशन से उसको करते हैं कि
मेरे साथ तो हमेशा होता है सर. मेरे को आदत है, मैं कुछ वर्ड्स पे स्ट्रेस करती हूँ, जैसे कि देख लो इस दरवाजे से बिल्कुल मत जाना, मतलब तो अब ये मुझे आदत है. बिल्कुल पढ़ा तो मुझे पता है कि मेरा स्ट्रेस ऑटोमेटिकली बिल्कुल पर जाने वाला है. सो यू थिंक दिस शुड हेल्प मी ब्रेक दैट पैटर्न?
Yes, that pattern, breaking the pattern. You can do in gibberish, you can do in stretching the speech. That also breaks your pattern. You can sing your dialogue, that can break the pattern. You can sing your dialogues so that you can So it breaks the pattern. You have to break the pattern. Most of the time young actors get it stuck with the lines and जैसे उन्होंने पढ़ा होता है उनको लगता है वैसे ही बोली जाएगी. There are
Right.
thousands of ways of saying a dialogue. It depends on the director, it depends on your co-actor also, location, all those things. So be open for that and explore. नहीं तो boring हो जाएगा आपके लिए पूरी acting. Acting should be fun.
Acting should be fun. Yes, absolutely. There's one more thing that you always mention in your workshop. You say that take responsibility of your co-actor.
Very good. Yes. Yes. Very important.
How? If you have a co-actor who's extremely arrogant and who thinks they know better, I'm not saying I'm there to criticize, but I need that give and take as an actor. हमें चाहिए कि जब वो नहीं होता तो actor क्या करे?
Yeah, I know. When we talk about this कि सामने वाला कुछ नहीं दे रहा है, then also we thinking from the selfish point of view. We are not taking responsibility. I remember I was doing a scene with a known actor, and I could feel that we are not unsaid language. We are not connected to each other, and I'm threatened from him, and he's threatened from my work, and तो वो वैसा वाला हो रहा था. So मैंने कहा, oh shit, this is not working, and the scene is almost ready. So I said, मैंने उसका नाम लिया और मैंने उसको कैरेक्टर का नाम लिया, उसका नाम लिया और मैंने बोला कि whatever you're going to do, I am going to take your responsibility in this scene. Whatever you're going to do. In my head I said. And चाहे तुम मुझे गुस्सा हो, चाहे तुम मुझसे कनेक्ट ना हो, वो भी मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी. If you're not connected to me, I am responsible for that. And I just stood there. And he turned and he looked at me in the scene and he started crying. And he became so vulnerable. And he said, he went to the director, he said, he did something to me. I just took his responsibility fully. और मुझे पता था कि हम कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहे और डायरेक्टर परेशान हो रहा था इस बात से कि हम लोग कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहे. And director came and he said, what did you do? Like, I just started listening to him. Really got into it. I just took responsibility कि तू जो भी करेगा ना, मेरी responsibility should be. अगर तू परेशान भी होगा ना मेरी वजह से, वो भी मेरी responsibility. कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, वो भी मेरी responsibility. So immediately you forget yourself and you're just there. And what is going to happen? You're listening to what he's not doing also. और आप इतना ज्यादा ट्यून हो जाते हैं दूसरे में, आप खुद दूसरे वाले को नहीं लगेगा, आपको खुद लगेगा. It's very powerful actually. पर बहुत आपको अपने को बिल्कुल छोड़ना पड़ेगा. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का मतलब है मैं पूरा छोड़ रहा हूँ अपने आप को.
Yeah, it's actually quite powerful. It can be magical, but
it happened to you in the class. Yeah. See, मेरे पास इतने सारे स्टूडेंट आते हैं. I start with my work with responsibility. नहीं तो मैं सबको जज ही करता रहूंगा कि यार ये नहीं कर पा रहा है, ये नहीं कर पा रहा है, ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है. वो जो पहले आए थे ना वो अच्छे थे. रिद्धिमा आई थी तो वो स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, पर उससे अब मैं कंपैरिजन कर रहा हूँ, उस जैसी लड़की तो ये अच्छी नहीं है उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग. So that is what I can do. Keep doing that.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
So now is your next workshop? जब मैं करी थी, I think I was pretty much your last batch before this lockdown began.
Right.
The fifth batch that you could teach.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, सबको बहुत लोगों को मेरे फ्रेंड्स को बोला, सबने नंबर्स लिए, लेकिन फिर हम आई थिंक ऑनलाइन वर्कशॉप्स कर रहे हैं फिलहाल.
Yes.
So how सर ऑनलाइन में कैसे मजा आ रहा होगा?
हाँ, काफी लोग पहले हमारे को भी डर लग रहा था कि कैसे मजा आएगा, पर जब हमने एक स्टूडेंट के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किए और उनको ऑनलाइन एक्सरसाइज कराई, दे रियली लव्ड इट. दिस इट्स वर्किंग. मतलब सोलो एक्सरसाइजेस तो हम कर ही सकते हैं, बॉडी पे काम कर सकते हैं, वॉइस पे काम कर सकते हैं, बीइंग पे काम कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, अपने क्या कहते हैं डूइंग पे काम कर सकते हैं जो अकेले करना है. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हम कर सकते थे. तो मैंने उनके साथ करवाया तो उनके जो फीडबैक आए, दे वर लाइक वाओ इट्स वर्किंग. एंड देन जब अभी मैंने एक वर्कशॉप करवाई ऑनलाइन 35 स्टूडेंट के साथ, it has been mind blowing. They have loved it so much, and I myself have loved. And what we're doing is with 35 students we have 7 teachers. तो हम सारे के सारे 5 लोगों को देख रहे हैं मॉनिटर पे, और 5 लोगों को फीडबैक दिख रहे हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि मैं आई एम लूजिंग एनीबॉडी. सो वी हैव टोल्ड देम कि this is your mentor, so he is going to watch you, these 5, and then they also know कि somebody is watching me. वो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि अरे हमको देख भी रहे हैं, सौरभ की नहीं देख रहा है, हम है भी कि नहीं है. So that is what is happening, and that has become very powerful actually because of my team and people around me. It's really Yeah. So it has magically working. Magically, I'm telling you. बहुत मजा आया मुझे।
Years,
आज ही खत्म हुई हमारी वर्कशॉप, आज ही खत्म हुई।
this year, how many years is it going to be that you've been teaching? Changing
How many
lives.
what? Sorry,
कितने
how
साल
many?
हो जाएंगे 2020 में कि आप एक्टिंग सिखा रहे हैं सबको?
I started in 2001 end.
Wow.
So it's almost 19 years of teaching. Yeah. Almost 15 years with Mr. Barry John. 15 years with Mr. Barry John. And then after that, 3.5 years, 4 years with myself in The Actor's Truth. So, almost 19 साल of teaching.
Nice. अब मुझे एक सवाल बताइए और मैं भी आपको इसका जवाब दूंगी। आपके लिए सबसे फेवरेट जॉनर क्या है अगर if you want to act?
I want to do comedy now.
Even I love comedy, but comedy is a very, very serious business. Anybody
Yes,
over here who thinks comedy is easy, I think it's anything but that. Though it has to just flow and it has to happen, but how does it happen again and again and again, right?
Right. You have to understand tragedy to understand comedy.
Correct.
Because somebody's tragedy is your comedy, right? It's somebody falls and you laugh on that. So yeah, I was always fan of drama, and for a long, long time I did a lot of drama as in my while doing theater and with Barry sir. And now recently I've something I'm started loving this comic timing and the अंडरस्टैंडिंग मेरे को लगता है मेरा शिफ्ट हुआ है वो। अब मुझे अब समझ आई है कि कॉमेडी कैसे कर सकते हैं। पहले मुझे लगता था इतनी स्ट्रगल है कॉमेडी करना, ओह माय गॉड। बट एवरीवन माय स्टूडेंट्स एंड माय पीपल नो मी कि मैं काफी अच्छे बहुत इम्पल्सिव था, बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकता था। तो मुझे लगता था कि सब लोग मेरे को बोलते तू कर सकता है कॉमेडी, तो मेरे को लगता था मैं नहीं कर सकता, मेरे अंदर वो नहीं है। और अभी रिसेंटली मुझे फील हुआ है कि आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर दैट साइड। जो मन मर्जी में मैंने थोड़ा सा करा भी, लोगों को पसंद भी आया।
देखनी है यहाँ पर काफी लोगों जिनकी मिस हो गई है। मैंने सब जगह ढूंढा, नेटफ्लिक्स पे ढूंढा, अमेज़न कहाँ पर है सर?
वो आई थिंक इरोज पे है शायद, आई थिंक।
ओहो प्लीज गाइस, मैं तो देख रही हूँ रात को जाके, एंड आई रियली वांट टू सी यू डूइंग कॉमेडी। आई रिमेंबर मैंने क्लास में पूछा था, मन मर्जियां नहीं देखी, मैं बोला रही हूँ मेरी सर मिस हो गई है। बट जैसे अगर आप शायद नहीं जाने तो आज मैं आपको, आई एम नोन फॉर माय कॉमिक बाय द वे सर।
Yeah?
Yes.
Wow. And that is why you were in the show. I think that is why you were with Raghav.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Okay. मैंने वो एक दो बार को देखा, मैंने बोला अरे दिम्मा भी है उसमें। हाँ
जी। तो मेरा जो पहला शो था, आई प्ले ह्यूमनॉइड इन इट। शो का नाम था बहू हमारी रजनीकांत, और मेरा नाम और मेरी जिस साइंटिस्ट की शादी होती है उसका नाम है शान कांत। और रजनीकांत जी कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, वैसे ही बहू हमारी रजनीकांत who's a robot, humanoid. So by God's grace, how many of people know me today and appreciate my work? It started from that show, and then I bring a lot of comedy. But now, if you ask, now I really want to explore in drama, thriller. You know, there's so, but sir, it is so frustrating to keep waiting for that part to come. Let me be honest. Oh, it's unfair to say that, oh, I'm so positive, I'm so lovely, I know I'm going to get. It's frustrating to see such same faces being repeated. Such, I'm sorry, is getting a lot of work. This should be our private conversation. Guys, we also face this. Not sir, what?
Yeah.
But
all face this.
All of us. So
I think my mom is there.
Oh, hello.
Hello, mom.
Lovely.
She sometimes drops in my
live
chat, and मेरे को पता नहीं लगता, तो फिर वो मेरे को बाद में बताती है, oh, you were in live chat.
Oh, sweet. Hello, auntie.
Yeah, hello, mama.
How's it going in Delhi? This lockdown.
Family is all okay, good. Everyone is fine. Yeah, but lockdown is there, obviously, for everyone. I was really wanting to be there, but couldn't be. By chance, मैं रह गया यहाँ पे। मम्मी ने बोला देख लेते हैं, थोड़े दिनों बाद आ जाइयो, and then the lockdown happened and I didn't go only. But yeah, it's good learning. अगर मैं उनके साथ होता तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा ये अकेले रह के जो सीखा हो ना इतने दिनों से, वो मेरे को वो भी बहुत strong बनाया। Very good learning for me.
Yeah, for all such. No, I mean, Vaibhavi from our hi Vaibhavi.
Hi, hello everybody. Hello everybody.
Which um can you share a significant change in your life after the workshop? So I believe this question is for me, and it's from Mr. Amit Verma. And the answer to this is, in fact, Amit is the person who I had called inquiring about the workshop. And I said, I would like to join, and is there a criteria? He said, see, listen, the batch is almost full. So I said,
Yeah.
okay, no, I'm joining, please. He said, okay, I'll get back to you. He did. I did this course, and it has changed my life in so many ways. Um, there was this time I remember sir ek exercise kara class mein where feel the floor, let the floor feel the space, let the space feel you. So for the first 2 days, I'm like, okay, this exercise is like a bit of meditation,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
actually used to take my anxiety away. So it was almost like how see start karenge to feel the floor and then surrender. And I think that beauty, of surrender your craft, and it then gets the best out of you.
True, true. It's very important to relax and be. Most of people don't know how to be in the scene and relax in the scene and get out of your head. So that is the exercise for to just relax and be. And I thought Raghav gave you the reference
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Raghav did.
I
Raghav,
have stories.
Raghav, yeah, Raghav did 4 times in the course. पहले उसने ये वाला कोर्स किया, फिर एडवांस कोर्स किया, फिर माइजनर कोर्स किया, फिर दोबारा से ये वाला किया.
Wow.
बोला, हाँ, he did 4 times. So he so loved it.
ये आपका next course जब माइजर कोर्स होगा सर मुझे भी करना. But
Please, yes, yes.
very heavy course to absorb. Like it's
Yeah.
very,
It's heavy because it really challenges your honesty. It challenges your truth and belief. Because most of people think we are honest, but when it comes to the honesty, Raghav was so scared of that. Raghav was like, what? I'm not honest. ऐसी फीलिंग आने लगी उसको और फिर बाद में उसको बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल हुई and he said I'm going to do it again whenever you're doing it और उसके बाद मैंने काफी टाइम से अभी तक किया नहीं है but whenever it opens up I'll call the ex-students those who have done the foundation course will do the Meisner course.
yes. अब एक कोई hidden talent बताइए आपका सर जिसके
hidden talent मेरा
आपका
hidden talent तो मतलब अब मैं बहुत पहले पेंटिंग करता था. So from last many years I've lost the touch and now I'm getting back to it. Somehow I've not started. मैंने अपने पूरा टाइम मेरे पास बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं, बहुत सारे कैनवस हैं, वो सब मैंने निकाले हैं अभी. Right, मैंने साफ किया है. And one of my friend, she's a painter and she's guiding me कि how to start again and what you can do and she's great वो मेरे को रोज वीडियोस भेजती है पेंटिंग आर्टिस्ट की और so that I start. मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है and I'm going to start that and it takes you so much deep with yourself when you do painting. सब कुछ गायब हो जाता है सब. When Irfan died, that day also I didn't know he's dead. मैं 12-1 बजे तक पेंटिंग कर रहा था, मैं कुछ स्केच कर रहा था. I was so involved in that and suddenly my friend called and मैंने बोला हाँ भाई क्या? And she was crying. I was like, what happened to you? She said, Irfan died. Oh my God! और मैं एकदम से छूटा पेंटिंग से. So yes, painting really helped me. And I was by chance मतलब ये मेरा बचपन से हॉबी थी. So this you can say one of the hidden talent.
Good, you should hold some exhibition or something for the public.
No, they're not that. I'm not that great, but yes, yeah. But yes, yeah, I love to do it to just get evolved. थोड़ा उसके अंदर रहने से बहुत ज्यादा पीस हो जाता है, जीरो हो जाता है माइंड. बहुत दिमाग में रहता है. आप क्योंकि बहुत प्रिसाइज हो जाते हैं काम के लिए.
Right. नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि पेंटिंग या तो यू हैव इट इन यू और यू डोंट. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट यू कैन लर्न. बट आई एम श्योर एक्टिंग का भी ऐसा ही है सर हिसाब के. लोग बोलते हैं either you have it in you or you don't, but at the same time that fine tuning needs to be done when you keep evolving, keeping yourself.
Any art if you will never know you have it till you try it out and you work and maybe आपके अंदर है पर वो इतना दबा हुआ है कि बस उसको कोई एक पुश मारने वाला चाहिए, कोई साफ करने वाला चाहिए कि भैया ये देख ले. And then you start seeing the world कि अरे यार मैं अगर मैं इसको छोड़ दूं या इसको खोल दूं, so I will be more vulnerable and more imaginative and more creative. Or like a lot of every kid is a painter. They
Yeah, yeah.
paint on the wall. You're saying you have it. Every child paints on the wall. We all have it. We were born painters. And Picasso ne bola ki it takes whole lifetime to go back to that child, to become that child. So it's very difficult to. And we all were actors. We all used to make sounds. We were imaginative. हम अपनी imaginary world में जाते थे. अपने रजाई के नीचे, कंबल के नीचे, बेड के नीचे. So those were the days.
और
We all had.
आवाज भी करते थे, कभी शर्म नहीं आती थी. अब
Right.
है कि हमें सबको एक तरीके से बिहेव करना है, ये करना है, और मुझे और इससे जा रही है. अब मास्क लगाकर और भी हम
Yes, true,
but
definitely.
At the beginning of our conversation, that acceptance is the minute you accept things is when things start.
Yeah. Acknowledge that you're like this, accept it, and then express it. ये इसी में सारा स्ट्रगल. हम एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हैं. लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर मैंने ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिया तो? लोग क्या कहेंगे कि अगर मैंने अपना ये मास्क उतार दिया तो क्या होगा?
लोग क्या कहेंगे? सर, मैं
लोग
एक्टिंग जब मैंने स्टार्ट की उसके पहले मैं एक आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर हुआ. यानी मैं सब एक्टर्स की डेट्स देखा करती थी, या मैं उनके but I used to go with them. पता नहीं, मेरे अंदर हमेशा से एक था कि मुझे भी एक्टिंग करनी है, लेकिन मैंने हमेशा सोचा क्या कहेंगे, मैं आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर हूँ और सडनली मैं बोलूँ मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनने की चाह है. और उसके पहले मैं थिएटर कर चुकी थी नादिरा जी के साथ, लेकिन फिर मैंने पता नहीं, मैं वो डर हमारे अंदर ही अंदर दब के वो ख्वाब को मैंने छोड़ दिया. बट आई डोंट नो, कहीं से मुझ में वो एक शक्ति आई, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड thankful today that this is the only way I can make my parents proud. मुझे और कुछ आता ही नहीं है.
हाँ, मुझे भी नहीं आता कुछ और नहीं आता.
Hidden talent मेरे भी नहीं है. मतलब ये भी टैलेंट गिना जाता है कि नहीं लोग की नजरों में, आई डोंट नो, बट मुझे लगता है कि मैं करके दिखा सकती हूँ. तो all of you out there should be कभी ये सोचना चाहिए कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. लोग बकवास है, लोग का सोचो ही मत.
या सबसे बड़ा है रोग, क्या कहेंगे लोग.
अरे वाह,
यही है
सबसे नडा है रोग.
बड़ा
लिखा पहले ही किसी को पता था, सबसे बड़ा है रोग.
सबसे बड़ा रोग, क्या कहेंगे लोग.
Yes. So it was wonderful, Saurabh sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you for being with me and on this call. Such a wonderful person you are. Like you were in the workshop. It was such an admiring to watch you when you were performing with all your guards down, all your way of being down, and coming from this. There was no baggage that I'm coming for. I know acting. मुझे तो पता है, मेरे को इतने सारे लोग जानते हैं. I have some stardom, but there was nothing like that. और मेरे को तो पहले पता भी नहीं था. तो it really helps it really helps the teacher to work with you, and growth होती है दोनों की, आपस में growth होती है.
Mold कर सकते हैं. Yes.
When there is a listening कि I am ready to listen to you. Oh, तो फिर ऐसा लगता है, oh, now she's ready, I can give more, and it can happen. That was always there. Whenever you came in the class, you were just there. You were not like thinking about it or in your head कि क्या करवा रहे हैं, क्या नहीं करवा रहे. आधा टाइम उसमें नहीं निकला, जल्दी से तुमने surrender कर दिया. That I always wanted to tell you. That was such a great thing. और जब मुझे बाद में पता लगा, क्योंकि मैं बहुत सालों से मैंने ऑनेस्टली टीवी नहीं देखा, मेरे पास टीवी है भी नहीं, 15 साल से मेरे पास टीवी नहीं है
जी.
तो मेरे को जब पता लगा कि you are established actress, then मैंने बोला wow, and she has no hype of this, and that's so great. जो मैंने टीम को भी बोला, thank you for that, and thank you for being my student and working with us. It was lovely.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot coming from you. I still have miles to go, but on this journey that I have embarked, I really wish that someday I get to work with you and share a frame with you.
Wow.
I hope God is listening.
And if anybody wants to join, please message me on my Instagram. Please
oh yes.
Do that.
Sir, is there a webinar that is coming which I have heard of 28th?
Yes.
That's tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow it's a webinar. Insider Pay webinar hai, where I'm going to talk about visualization and risk. So I'm going to talk about those things and how it's important for an actor, for any human being, and what kind of visualization we do and what kind of visualization we don't do. So I'm going to talk about that, and yes, and risk. So that is what I'm going to talk about. Yeah.
सब बोल रहे ईसा भाई आदाब.
आदाब आदाब आदाब.
एक लाइन बोल दीजिए ना सर जाते जाते. आपकी कोई अरे बोल दो.
कोई लाइन. मेरी कितनी कम लाइंस थी यार.
अरे सर उसी को तो बोलते हैं.
मेरे शहर को सलाम कहना. तुम्हारा शहर नवाजुद्दीन से तुम्हारा शहर. हाँ, मुंबई.
वाह 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 वाह. आपके ना वो डेडली आईज वाला लगता है ऐसे जो ऊपर देखते ना वो लुक की बड़ी किल कर देती थी. बट थैंक यू सो मच सर. लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड आई होप टू सी यू सून. After all of this is over, I'll come drop by the class. And guys, say thank you to Saurabh sir. He's specially given us so much time. I'm so.
Will you record this? Will you record this?
I don't know how to. Guys, teach me, okay? Once sir goes, I'll learn it. Don't worry.
Okay. I don't know also. Okay, Marika, we can post it. Thank you, Baba. Thank you for being online.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
So guys, ये थे हमारे सौरभ सर. और आज इनसे बात करते करते मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं एक जर्नलिस्ट भी बन सकती थी. मैं इंटरव्यू लेने में मुझे लग रहा है बेटर होगी. मेरे आई थिंक हम दोनों की जो कॉन्वर्सेशन थी बड़ी ही इंटरेस्टिंग थी, बड़ी ही क्रिस्पी थी. सर ने हमको क्रिस्पी नहीं, सर ने हमें इतनी सारी टिप्स दी, इंटरेस्टिंग टिप्स दी है. एंड this is up to us now that we should all hold it together, be positive, and I'll just quickly answer a few of your questions if I've missed out. राघव के साथ लाइव. जी बिल्कुल, मैं राघव को कहूंगी. कितने लोगों ने कहा है, माय गॉड. Am I missing hosting with Raghav? Of course I'm missing hosting with Raghav. Who else? Yes, I'm getting back to a few of your questions, guys. Spontaneous होने के लिए कोई exercise है? हमें पूछना चाहिए था ये सर को, लेकिन मिरर के सामने रहकर just be yourself. I'm sure you'll discover something in yourself. How do I memorize my scripts? Oh, very good question actually. Even I should have asked him this. For me, I start imagining that those things are actually happening in front of me, and that's how मैं भी थोड़ी lines में कच्ची हो जाती हूँ. But all the techniques that I know, I will not be able to apply till the time I don't know मेरी lines को improvise करने के लिए मुझे वो word to word याद होना चाहिए ताकि मैं दूसरी चीजों पर concentrate और focus कर सकूँ. Waiting to see me on TV. Well, so am I, but I hear बहु हमारी रजनीकांत के reruns हो रहे हैं. So guys, please check it out. Kamalpreet, happy birthday to you. आप बिल्कुल मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड जैसी दिखती हो. Okay, thank you. Very sweet. हम दोनों के लिए अच्छा है. After lockdown, who's the first person I want to see? Definitely, it's my sister and her son. What is the condition in Mumbai? One, it's very hot. Second, we are all trying to be positive, like all of you guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for all your time, and maybe I'll come live again soon. मैं बहुत time से actually live गई नहीं इस वक्त, so I wanted it to be interesting. Hi Joe. So I got you the best person to go live with. So lots of love, guys, and see you all soon. Okay, be home, be safe.